guys, Sheri Ann Richerson with experimentalhomesteader.com, and today I want to tell you about an item that I did receive for free in exchange for my honest review. All opinions are my own. This is an inflatable solar lantern from LuminAID Nova, and I thought it was a really cool idea. So I wanted to take a look at this and see what I thought. I'm going to show this to you here in a moment. So it comes in a teeny package, just like this. And when you open it up, sorry about the crinkling, but when you open it up, you get several items that you pull out. You get a charging cord. You, of course, get the lantern. This is what it looks like. And you get an instruction book. So, I have not had this out of the package. I have not tested this yet. I'm basically just giving you a little bit of information about it and showing it to you, because this would make a really awesome gift for the homesteader or prepper in your life, or anybody for that matter that could use a lantern or a light, an emergency source, something that is solar. So I have unsnapped the handle here, and it's plastic. I don't know. So I can snap it back together, and then it is inflatable. So this is really hard to get this to go back through. So I'm going to put it in the second one that it was already in. I guess it's good that it's hard to get it in these, because that means it's not going to just pop back out. But I had wanted to put it in that first one, and it definitely wasn't going to easily go. So it has the air hole here where you can blow it up. So I'm going to see if that's fairly easy or not to do. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. I'm not good at blowing things up. Okay, there we go. So there it is, inflated. And here on the top, let's see what this is. This is where you would charge it, right there. And then it seems to have some little buttons up here. So we're just going to push on one of these. There you go. There's a red light. That's kind of an orange. It does have several different colors that you could do. Let's see, is this the brightness? No. That must be the charge that's left in it or something. I will have to figure that out. It does have lights that you can see it there. So but this has different colors, including kind of a white that you can get. And let me see. Okay, so this is the battery button right there. You check the battery level using the green LEDs. And you can also send power to your phone. Now that's interesting. That's only on 2-in-1 power lantern modules that can handle the phones. So I'm honestly, I don't think this one can do that, but let me look. No. No, this one only has the single on it, not the double. Let me show you. Okay, so there are two different kinds of these lanterns. One has the port right here where you can charge your phone, and one does not. This particular model does not, but that's okay. The power button I had already showed you, and then of course the charging port right there. You can see the solar panel. Let me open this back up again. So you can see, you know, it's not a super huge solar panel, but it is a nice sized for this. And then, like I said, the adjustable strap. I'm going to try this again and see. That is just really, there we go. Finally got it. But it does take some effort to move this around to some of the other positions. Overall, just looking at it, this is what you get. I think this is a pretty cool item. It will not charge indoors through windows, so you do have to set it outside in the sunlight to charge it. Obviously mine did come with a charging cord, so I could charge it indoors if that's what I wanted to do. But I think if you're out and, you know, either just set it outside, or if you're backpacking, or you have a purse strap or something and you're out in the wilderness, or you're just outside, you could easily strap that to it and take it with you and let it charge while it's, you know, moving around. Now, here's the other thing that I'm noticing. I'm wanting to deflate this. You can see it has gone in. It is not the easiest thing to get into and be able to deflate it. Okay, there we go. Got it. It does go down pretty easily, though. So that's nice. You do want to tuck it in so it's not sticking out, so there's no chance that this could get pinched by something that you would walk past. And then, of course, put that back in and refasten it so that way it is ready to go into your purse, your bug out bag, whatever. And you can just pull it out and charge it as needed. Be sure to keep the battery charged, because after all, if you have an emergency situation and you're relying on the solar lantern to work in that kind of situation, then you definitely need to have it charged. Now, I was looking at this a little bit last night with the lights off in the house in the living room, and I felt like it put out a fair amount of light given its size. You could definitely see where you was going and what was happening in close proximity around you. It certainly did not light up my entire living room, but I did not expect it to either, again, given the small size. This is one of LuminAID's Nova's most converting products and one of their most popular products. So a lot of people use these as solar inflatable camping lanterns, which is another good use for them. But basically anyone who would need any kind of emergency lighting, this is good for. The other thing that I want to bring up about this is a female founded organization. They are humanitarian aid focused towards Give Light. And this is also great for hiking, fishing, traveling, RVing, anything where you might need some light and you're not going to have access to electricity. This is a good option. So the current price right now, and of course this can vary, so I hesitate saying anything, But right now on Amazon, this is selling for $29.95. Again, prices can vary. So it may be this price today. It may not be this price tomorrow. But I know a lot of people ask me, you know, well, how much does this run? And again, I did receive this item for free in exchange for my honest review. All opinions are my own. I will include the link to this item. It will be an affiliate link. I will include that down in the description below so that you can go get one of these if you want one. And lastly, I do want to mention that this would make a great holiday gift, a great stocking stuffer, you know, a great evergreen gift any time of the year. So again, this is from LuminAID Nova. It is an inflatable solar lantern, and I hope you will check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave your questions below. Have a great day.